Hi, I'm Devtar. I'm a co-founder of PlantOS.
I'm Ganesh, co-founder of PlantOS.
Brinc has been really awesome, if I would say. It's been really hard to find an accelerator that is focused on hardware.
Yeah, and in terms of Bahrain, we see it as a great opportunity because it's a small country and it serves as a great test bed for the rest of the GCC. And food security is a huge problem. Countries are investing in indoor farming, and we see that as a huge market opportunity and a problem that we would like to solve.
PlantOS is a digital precision agriculture startup. We have hardware and software that enables a farmer to be more productive and save costs.
If you look at food distribution, 45% is actually wasted through the different stages of distribution. Now imagine if we could actually have a distributed food system, not distributed food. And I saw that relationship with PlantOS and how we can connect indoor farmers with technology and shorten the distance from farm to table for the end consumer.